Okay, so we're super excited. This took a very long time, but they are nice and pretty now. Polishing took like 2 weeks and everything. But I just wanted to show you guys what it looks like when you get one of these. So basically, you have a bunch of different cars with a bunch of different systems so that they make holes for all these different systems. So like they have like an electric window would go here. Our vent system, so our regular vent system's up here, and then our window that we just did will go down here. So it's really cool to have all the like options to punch out everything. So this is what the new looks like. And isn't it super pretty? See, same thing. These don't have any holes in them, but it'll be really, really pretty, and I'm super excited. It came out gorgeous. We worked on this really, really hard and for a while, and now it's all pretty and gorgeous. So what's cool about these pieces is they go in really easily. They actually just go through the fabric. So this is the same piece that's on there, but I'm going to show you guys. They have these like vampire metal studs that go through the fabric. So if like over here you can see we have our holes, they're all going through the fabric. When we push them in, then if you flip it, they're up here and you're gonna push them down. So we have pliers and you just take it and push them down into the cardboard, and then it'll stay into the felt, it'll stay into this, it's really easy and it's awesome.